Hey, this is AJ for the Disney 411 News. Starting this week in Magic Kingdom, Tron Lightcycle Run has now stopped virtual queue and opened standby queues in Tomorrowland. Tiana's Bayou Adventure and Guardians of the Galaxy Cosmic Rewind are still continuing to offer the virtual queue service. On its first day of standby queue operation, wait times maxed out at around 105 minutes, however have averaged 60 to 70 minutes throughout the day since that time. It's also been announced that the attraction will not be featured as part of early park entry at this time. Over in Hollywood Studios, it's been announced that Lightning McQueen's Racing Academy show experience will soon be closing permanently, with the last show scheduled for October 7th. This will instead be replaced by a brand new villain stage show, which is expected to make its debut in summer of 2025. Toy Story is invading Galaxy's Edge. As construction continues at Woody's Lunchbox for the new seating area, this past week Disney has set up temporary tables along the walkway between the lands. It is expected that this is only a temporary measure whilst the project is completed. There's also been some sad news this week as we heard of the passing of Disney legend James Earl Jones at the age of 93. And finally this week, to celebrate the release of Disney's alternative album, A Whole New Sound, featuring reimagined recordings of your favourite Disney tracks by artists such as Simple Plan, Magnolia Park, Plain White T's and many others, Yellowjacket performed their take on A Whole New World this past week as part of the Eat to the Beat concert series at the American Adventure Pavilion. A Whole New Sound is available to stream and purchase on all major platforms, and it can also be heard right here on Sorcerer Radio. And that's your 411 quick take today. Head over to the Sorcerer Radio Discord at srsounds.com/Discord to chat along and keep up with the latest news. And don't forget to tune in to our hosted shows throughout the week.